Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to use PocketGuard to pay bills. If you're juggling multiple bills and want a seamless way to handle them, this app is a game changer. PocketGuard is a free personal finance app that helps you track your spending, set budgets, and yes, pay bills directly from your phone. It's perfect for anyone looking to stay on top of their finances without the hassle. First things first, let's get started. Download the PocketGuard app from your App Store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, sign up with your email or link it to your Google or Apple account for a quick setup. Now, the fun part. Linking your bank accounts. Open the app, go to the Accounts section, and connect your checking or credit card accounts securely. Don't worry, PocketGuard uses bank-level encryption to keep your info safe. Next, head over to the Bills tab. Here, you can add your upcoming bills manually or let the app import them from your linked accounts. For example, if you have a utility bill due, enter the amount, due date, and payment method. PocketGuard will even categorize your bills and send reminders so you never miss a payment. When it's time to pay, simply select the bill, choose your payment source, and confirm the transaction. The app integrates with services like Plaid for smooth, instant payments. One tip. Always double-check the details before confirming to avoid any errors. After payment, you can track it in the app's dashboard, which shows your updated budget and spending overview. This way, you stay financially aware and in control. There you have it. Using PocketGuard to pay bills is straightforward and stress-free. Give it a try and wave goodbye to late fees. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.